Hey everyone, it's grocery day. Let me turn around and show you Walmart, Food City, and Aldi's. Starting with one thing from Food City, I'm seriously tired of cooking every single meal, so I decided to take a break on our Fridays whenever we have extra budget, and we bought a hot and ready 8-piece fried chicken. Starting Aldi's, we have 2 boxes of cereal, the Aldi's brand of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the Aldi's brand of Frosted Shredded Mini Wheats. We also have 2 boxes of oatmeal, the Organic Apple Cinnamon. I didn't see the non-organic this time, and we like the organic. It's just a little bit more. I was fine with that. And then the lower sugar variety pack, which seems to be our go-to right now. 3 take and bakes this week. We decided to try the bacon cheese breadsticks because why not? We also picked up a chicken bacon and ranch. I've never seen a take or ready bake chicken bacon ranch anybody's brand, especially at Aldi's. So I mostly bought it out of curiosity and wanted to try it. And we also picked 2 packs of the premium sliced bacon, 1 3-pound bag of Mandy's, 2 gallons of 2% milk, 2 bags of the Dole Chop Kit. This is the bacon Caesar, 1 block of the vintage Irish cheddar, 1 container of the whipped cream cheese. I'll show you why in a minute. 1 container of the spreadable butter, and instead of carrots this week for lunches, we're doing the mini bell peppers. This week at Aldi's, they had the specialty Hawaiian bagels back in stock, and then they had $2 off of these maple French toast bagels. So we picked up 2 bags of bagels for breakfast this week. 2 packs of the dried mango, 2 packs of the dried apricot. I've never tried their lemon blueberry granola. I've tried some of their other flavors and I liked them, so I'm going to try this. By the time you see the haul, I probably will have already tried it. So if you're curious if I like it or not, just ask me in the comments and I'll let you know. And 1 bag of Mexican style cheese for fajitas this week. 1 high pulp orange juice, 1 calcium and vitamin D orange juice, and 1 half gallon of lactose-free milk. 1 can of crushed pineapple and 1 can of pineapple slices, both of those in pineapple juice for pineapple upside down oatmeal this weekend. The 2 cans of sliced carrots are a pantry stock up, and the meat sauce is a pantry stock up. Those are the only 2 pantry stock ups this week. Starting Food City, we have 1 Tyson honey barbecue chicken tenders, 1 Tyson honey battered breast tenders, and 1 bag of the Food City / Pine Teas brand buffalo style chicken breast chunks. 1 container of chocolate chip cookies for the kids for their dessert for this week, and 1 4-pack of the all but gluten double chocolate muffins. From Walmart, we have 1 2-liter Coke Zero, 1 2-liter Diet Dr. Pepper, 1 2-liter of Sprite Zero, and for the kids, 1 V8 Splash Berry Blend. 1 20-ounce bag of 60% cacao Ghirardelli chocolate chips, 1 Coffee Mate sugar-free hazelnut flavored, and 1 Acai Berry Storm Mio. Starting on Friday with our meal plan for dinners, we're having Pizza Friday. Saturday we're doing grilled cheese and soup. Sunday we are doing a venison roast. Monday we'll be doing stew with the leftover venison roast. Tuesday's chicken fajitas. Wednesday's hash brown casserole. Thursday is our anniversary. I have no idea what we're doing yet. And then Friday again will be Pizza Friday. Jumping down to breakfast and lunches. Breakfast on Sundays, pineapple upside down oatmeal. Lunch will be roast. The Friday and Saturday ones usually are for the week ahead, like for these 2, but these are the same usually, so I'll go ahead and do it Sunday to Saturday on here, even though I do Friday to Friday on that one. Breakfast on Monday, everybody has oatmeal. Lunch, Matt has bento box. The girls now will have soup because we didn't today. Tuesday breakfast, Matt's going to have muffins. The girls are going to have biscuits because he can't heat up muffins and we can. Lunch, everybody's doing a salad kit. Breakfast on Wednesday, everybody's doing oatmeal. Lunch, Matt's doing a nut box, which is a bento box with nuts instead of meat for the protein. And the girls and I will probably piece together a similar nut box or just a bento box depending on what we have on hand by Wednesday. Thursday, everybody's doing muffins for breakfast, and it's our sandwich day for lunch. Friday, everybody's doing instant oatmeal. Matt will take a bento box similar to what he'll take on Monday, and the girls and I should have soup. And then on Saturdays, it's been easier for everybody to do cereal for breakfast, and then we have leftovers from Pizza Friday for lunch. That has chicken for the protein, plus we have leftover pizza. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.